Hi my dears, just received a delivery from my leather supplier and I'm so impatient to see what is inside because I ordered some leather pieces online, but as you know, sometimes we have surprises. And girls, don't forget to subscribe. I will make so nice bags for you, extravagant, beautiful, and a lot of you are not subscribed, so subscribe, it's for free. And now let's see what is inside. Okay, let's see. Oh my, I see something very, very beautiful. And take a look. It's like camouflage, but it's a very nice off-white color with silver print. It's so nice. This is the back side. Perfect. I love it. What else? This leather, I wondered how it will look, but take a look. It's kind of copper brown with black. Very interesting, like painted. And on the back side, it's like suede. It's a very nice leather. And it's not a piece, it's a whole leather. The other one, kind of very fine snake skin. Like this, beige brown. Also very nice. This one, oh my god, it's like cracked dark silver gray. Very elegant piece. It's a gold leather like this. And take a look here, this leather, they made the shoes for Geox. Oh, I am sure I will make something very nice from this leather. The next one, real nice silver color. It's like a pebble leather, very nice. I really love it. Yeah. Kind of snake skin. Snake print. I don't know. It's interesting. It's brown and gray. Nice print. Another silver. And it's a very fine leather. I love it. It's a whole leather. Also, it's a goat leather. This is a piece. It's like mirror. Take a look. It's like cracked leather, and it's a piece. Somebody cut something from here, but I have enough material to make something, and I was very curious to see what is this. It's a leather, believe me. It's a very very interesting texture on the back side. And this one is like velvet, it's like fabric. When I touch it, it's so soft. And this leather, oh my, it's very nice. It's like corduroy. Take a look. It's kind of suede, but really it's a very nice leather. Let's see the back side. Yeah, it's like this, but I really love it. That one is very nice. It's kind of snake skin also, but in dark blue. On the back side, you can see it's perfect, and actually it's black blue, very nice print. And the last one, take a look. It's so nice, also cracked leather, black. It's sheepskin, this one, and it's really nice. It's dark silver gray, very elegant. I love it. Really, that's all, girls. I'm really happy. Take a look, my dears. It's a treasure for me. I'm so happy. And how not to make extravagant bags? That's impossible. With these Italian leathers, nothing but exceptional, unique and extravagant. That's all for today. I already have plans what to do, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Be chic and glamorous. Bye. Till the next time.